Welcome to solverfy, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Hello everyone, in this problem it is given 20 Newton horizontal force is applied perpendicular to handle of the socket branch. We have to calculate moment of force about O point and angle of direction alpha, beta and gamma. These value we have to calculate. Since we have to calculate moment of force at O, force is applied at A, so we require the position vector OA. So first we are calculating the position vector OA. So OA can be written as this length is 2 meter. So this has to be resolved into x component and y component. So 0.2 sine of 15 I cap plus 0.2 cos of 15 j cap plus z component is this one. So 0.075 k cap. All these values are in meter. Values are given in millimeter. We have to convert them in meter. Now see the force. We have to write force in component form. So we are resolving it into its component. Minus 20 cos of 15 I cap plus 20 sine of 15 j cap. So this force can be written as minus 19.32 I cap plus 5.18 j cap Newton. So moment of force about O point can be defined as cross product of position vector OA and force vector. We can solve them by determinant method. I cap, j cap, k cap. Here value of I cap in position vector x component, y component, you may see this value will be on solving, this value will be 0.052, 0.19 and 0.08 meter. Force is minus 19.32, 5.18 and 0. Now simplify them. Moment of force you will get minus 0.39 I cap minus 1.5 j cap plus 4.0 k cap Newton into meter. Now we can find its magnitude. So magnitude of moment will be square root of minus 0.39 whole square plus minus 1.5 whole square, 4.0 whole square. So this value will be 4.27 Newton into meter. Now we have to find direction cosine angle. Alpha will be cos inverse of x component, that is minus 0.39 divided by 4.27 So this alpha angle will be 95.2 degree. Beta angle cos inverse of x component, that is minus 1.5 divided by magnitude. So this angle will be 110 degree, and gamma cos inverse of z component of moment divided by its magnitude 4.27. So this value will be 20.60 degree. So this is the answer for direction angle, and this is the moment of force.